Hey everybody, this is Jody, and you've seen his burrow in one of my other videos, or maybe in a few videos. It matches the truck there, and he just recently got this Teardrop camper. It is a Homebuilt, and he's going to tell us about it. So what year was it built, do you know?
2006.
So it's a little bit old.
Mm-hmm.
And you just put these fenders on it.
Volkswagen fenders.
Volkswagen fenders. Where did you get those? Somebody make them for you?
Yeah, I had the Volkswagen in my backyard, and I took them to him, and he fabricated them. It just don't fit straight on. You got to do some stuff to it to make it like that. And it was real low to the ground, and it was a straight axle. It bounced like crazy, so I got leaf springs under it now, so it does a lot better now.
And this is the back where you cook at. That's a little heater he uses inside. So he's got a light up top. Now, did these pull out? Or are they like drawers?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. There's a lot of storage there. Mm-hmm. And then he's got this rack on the back for firewood and stuff.
Bicycle rack.
Bicycle rack. Okay. And then for outdoor space, he's got a little tiny clam. So let's look inside. Here's the door. It's got some old ads on here. Now inside is actually really roomy. It's got a lot of headspace. Jody, do you know how tall it is from the bed up?
I do not.
It's pretty tall, I can see though. So you've got a TV in here. It's got an air conditioner. It's running and it feels good in here. And then there's a door on each side. Little DVD player and little fairy lights around the top. And some fancy trim. Now, is this storage back here too? Can I open it?
Sure.
Okay. So you've got your electrical there. Some more ads over here. He likes the vintage stuff. Do you know how much it weighs?
I do not.
Okay. Or how long is it?
I'm going to guess 8 foot long, 5 foot wide, 4 foot tall, something like that. But I really don't know for sure.
And how tall are you?
5'6".
All right, so stand up to it. It's pretty
high. It's
high
not on the ground, so
Yeah, it's not on the ground, but because he's just raised it up, so it's pretty high. And then you've got a storage box on the front.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of storage.
It is.
So let's go to the other side. And there's a table there.
Yeah, it gets so much dew on it. I just put this here on it.
Oh, look at that. And that came with it?
Yes.
That's a cool inlay job. Yeah, and then that folds up?
Hmm?
It folds up?
Yeah.
Or do you take it off?
These two bolts here, you just slide it this way, and then you take these poles and just put them in the camper.
So the whole thing comes off?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And there's the truck. What year is the truck?
66.
1966. And like I said,
66.
66. And he's got a burrow that matches it. The same color. All right, that's it, guys. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks, Jody.
All right, now.